If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Renegade Latitude in Alpine White. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, black side roof rails, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 34,000 miles on the odometer, a 7-inch touchscreen display, a rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, a MySky power retractable removable panel, a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number PS6001.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.